snuggle up today. Put your favorite robe or something warm and cozy and come with me and have a self-care day. Let's go downstairs. This is my hallway. We live in a 1788 house, so it's a steep stairway and we have to be careful when we go down it, but we're gonna go down. I'll take you down and we can get to the kitchen so we can have a wonderful, beautiful, healthy breakfast together. And that will start our self-care day. These are my yogurts. Siggi's are really wonderful. That one in the brown is plant-based and the rest of these are regular. I'm going to pick a strawberry and banana one today. And then I am going to make a nice cup of coffee, and after that we can sit down and chat. Today I'm doing a self-care day. It's going to be a little bit different. It's not going to all be at home. I'm starting out coffee, robe, book. I don't know where my book went, but I am gonna read, and then we're gonna get a bath. We're actually going to put on a dress today because sometimes in a self-care day it doesn't always mean wearing grubby sweatpants and being ridiculously comfortable. It means taking care of yourself in other ways, and I'm going to do that today, so come along with me. For me, to start out in the bath, I always like to light a candle and bring it in. My favorite candles are Yankee, and I'm going to take this in with me to start a nice bath and put it next to me, next to the bath. It always sets a nice calm mood and helps me just take it all in and relax. And that's my favorite shower curtain. I love this. I'm so happy I bought it. And this is the bath oil that I use. And I always put a dollop into the bath. It's now time to pick out something to wear, and these are all my dresses. Most of them are summertime. I go for vintage looking, but this one is the one I'm going to wear today. I hope you all like it. It's one of my favorites. And now I have to pick out a nice perfume. And I don't know which one, so you choose. Okay, I am all dressed. We're gonna go and we're gonna take a drive and go into nature. It's been fun. Now we're gonna go for a drive. It's so icy. They're ice sailing. It's incredible. It was so relaxing to watch them. So beautiful. These mounds of snow are unbelievable. We had to stop and look at them. I am home now, and I hope you had a wonderful day with me on my self-care day. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.